shopping?
No,
What are you shopping for?
nothing.
Yes, you are.
What are just this?
These wild chickens just running the golf course like they own everything. Baby, what do you think of the chickens?
Interesting.
They're just running around in the woods. What?
Opus Landing.
What is that? Looks like an AMC plane. Making that pasta. Baby, come make your pasta. I got it. I've never made pasta before. I'm stirring the pot again. Why?
Because it's short.
How is it, baby? I didn't try it yet. It's good? She can't talk. You look like you did a really good job. You got more bags. Hi, puppy. I found these hoodlums out here. Hazel, come on. I think it was a, Yes, baby. I'm on my way. You gotta make sure you don't slip and die. It's slippery back here.
I know, it sounds fun to sleep in that.
Huh? Somebody lost their key card back here.
Am I supposed to do something else?
Do like a flip or something. Do like a somersault.
Yeah.
Wife has a sinus infection. I guess he had to run to the main office because they ran out of tissues. Me. Yeah. But the scenes are pretty. Like, look at the sky. Oh golly, what's happening? There we go. Trying to make it before the rain comes in. That's the building right there. I'm out of breath. I'm too out of shape for this, Grandpa.